tiny camera people.
Hi guys.
We knew you were there. Okay, what are we reviewing today?
Actually this is Bedtime book review, and we are gonna be reviewing Goosebumps.
And then we're going to bed.
Goosebumps,
My
All the parents watching at home, this is a great way to get your kids to go to bed at 6 o'clock p.m.
Okay, it's R.L. Stein Goosebumps, Clock of Doom.
Say it clearly.
It's a Goosebump book made by R.L. Stein called the
Ariel.
R.L. Stein, called the Cuckoo Clock of Doom.
Called the what?
The Cuckoo Clucky of Doom.
Cuckoo Clucky.
The cuckoo.
So like the cuckoo is not a cuckoo, it's a chicken?
Just look at this.
The Cuckoo Clock of Doom. Stop putting the book in front of my face. People want to see me.
Cuckoo Clucky of Doom.
All right, so Cuckoo's going to review the Cuckoo Clock of Doom.
Okay, it's the Cuckoo Clock of Doom.
Okay. I didn't read this one, so what do you think of it?
I think it's really cool, but I
like the part when he gets very
Hey, one at a
young.
time.
Sorry.
I really like the part at the end.
Well, wait. Tell people what the main story is about.
I'll tell them. This person, I can't remember his name, but he has a sister that's very mean to him. And then, he wishes she never even was born. And then he wants, they noticed he was, there was a cuckoo clock that their dad got. Then on the cuckoo board that Ara showed, he actually turned the bird's head to get her in trouble. But he actually ended up back in time.
Yeah.
And it kept on going. And when he finally got to a baby, he finally got to turn the cuckoo clock's head. And then he turned back.
At the end of the video.
Yeah.
And then he turned back and ended up not having a sister. And he said, I might come back.
I'll say that. That's my favorite. I'm saying my favorite part. I'm saying my favorite part. Get out of the video.
All right, say it.
Okay. That, I'll get her back one of these days. Maybe.
What? Is that what he says in the
Yeah.
video? Or I mean in the...
In the book,
In the
he
book.
says, I'll get her back one of these days. Maybe.
What does that mean? Like he'll get her back, like he doesn't have a sister anymore? But maybe he'll get her back one day? Or it means like he'll get her back, like I'll pay her back for that?
No.
The sister wasn't even there. She wasn't even like born or
because-
Oh, because it's a little sister. And he goes back to be a baby, so then the little sister isn't there anymore.
No. He when he was a baby, he was trying to get back to his normal age, and he kicked out the year that her sister was born, and then
What do you mean he kicked it out?
Like when he
gave
was,
it an eviction notice.
No, when he was little, like a baby.
He was trying to do that, and
The
then
flaw
they picked
was
they picked him up. People picked him up, and then like his foot, I guess, like just slammed.
no.
The year
It
and
was
then
like
came
a
off.
One at a time.
a flower pot that like it almost breaks, but it didn't. It hit it and then almost break, but he was lucky it fell on a pillow. Then it was 12
I'm so
o'clock and he
confused
turned
about
his
everything
head.
about this book.
Yeah, he's very confused.
So there's a cuckoo clock. They go back in time. There's a baby. The sister's gone.
We'll tell you that later, maybe.
But you're supposed to be telling them.
What about this surprise at the end of the video?
What are you whispering about?
So
Little boy, I can't understand you, little boy. Stop mumbling. Now listen, wait. What did you... So listen, what did you think about... Listen to me, stop. Come on, we're making a video.
Stop. Not.
You don't just start wrestling in the middle of a video. It's not WWE book reviews. Listen, did you think, boy, if I had my own cuckoo clock, I could get rid of my cuckoo sister?
I wouldn't do that.
Are you sure?
But
Okay, wait.
I'm older.
I got something to show
I
you.
did it to him.
Oh, yeah. There's a surprise.
We don't even know what it is.
What do you think's in here?
Something that
helps us make plays.
Back up. Nobody can touch this.
Then I might know what it is. Something with theater. Oh my gosh.
Don't touch. Here's some pieces.
What? Wait. I think I know what it is.
It's a cuckoo clock.
It's a cuckoo clock!
It's actually a cuckoo. You're gonna jump out of there.
Yeah, there's a cuckoo in it.
Let me see.
Oh no! No! There's no cuckoo.
There he is. Cuckoo!
I want to turn his head around.
No, don't touch it. It's old. Probably valuable. But listen. Do you think we can get your sister to disappear with this?
No!
You weren't supposed to hear that.
I know that.
Let's see what the back looks like. Looks like you can almost open it up.
Whoa!
Wow.
That looks like a lot of gears.
No wonder you told us not to touch it.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome, isn't it?
But why did we get it?
Well, actually, it was left here by the people we bought the house from. So
I thought it was going to be kids.
I don't even know for sure if it's magic or not. It might be.
Really?
Hmm? Wait, no, turn it the other way. Turn it the other way. No, turn it the other way.
Cuckoo! Cuckoo!
No, turn it back.
Did you
turn
tell
it
them?
back. Turn it back a day. Turn it back
But
a day.
these are like the weights that go underneath it.
No, take it back a day.
That-
Like spin it back a day. Maybe that will like make it go like.
Oh no, that doesn't sound good.
No,
Let's not do that.
no, go forward a day. That might make it like.
All right, now, Sydney, you're gonna want to not let Ira know where this is at, or he's gonna try to make you disappear. Cuckoo!
But Daddy try to. I love my
I don't
sister.
think it.
I love my sister so much.
Let me go. Then I'll wrestle you. Goodbye, guys.
Okay, we'll see you
Please
next
like and
time.
subscribe.
Yeah.